y'all, it's your girl Aarian. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a maintenance vlog. Now, usually the only thing that I'm not doing myself is dyeing my natural hair because I'm not gonna mess that up. Hairstyles, I do, y'all know about my page, but the color, I'm leave it to the professionals. So let's go to the Ulta Beauty Salon. I'm not gonna tell y'all which location I go to, but just look it up, and you can actually look at the pictures of the stylists and know they're black or white. That's literally what I was doing. I was like, they have a black stylist, I'll go. And I found one. This is Todd. He's the best. Actually, my second time going to him. I did film like a full Ulta salon experience video. I have a link in the cards if you want to see that. But yeah, this is my second time going back to black. I didn't really film this whole entire section. Like I said, I have a whole video up already, so if you want to see like the full in-length version, it's on there. But I will say we did different this time. So we did a toner and a gloss because I wanted the black to last a little bit longer than last time. And I also got to use some of the Sacred products during my wash. Didn't use it last time, but this time I was like, yeah, let's add some Sacred products. Plus I've been using it at home, so I want to just continue using what I've already been using the past couple of months. Also, if it's hard to understand me with this voiceover, I am so sorry, y'all. I literally just started Invisalign today, so it's kind of different with me talking right now, but I'm trying to talk as clear and as slow as possible. But yeah, I definitely recommend booking at an Ulta Beauty Salon. Like, I haven't paid more than $100, I think. So with great service and everything, that's quite a steal.
We have to wait 35 minutes to stay here. All black. I'll be back when I let it blow dry my hair because we really sound like a rinsing out process with the last video I did. If you haven't watched it, I have a link in the card. That was like, what, 3-4 months ago? Check that out. But yeah, we like things all blow dried and whatnot.
When I say Todd be zooming to the blow dry process, he really be zooming with this process. And it be feeling so good because having the scalp go from wet to dry, y'all know, it just feels so good. I was also kind of cold, so I love this part. Also, I can't do this myself, like the brush with the blow dry attachment, but he gets it, so.
And this is the hair. I am in the bathroom. But she's cute. She's black. Chilling with my inner Afro Latina. But yeah, let's go.
So next in my maintenance routine is going to be sugar waxing my body. I use a kit from Sugar Dough, but also buy baby powder and aloe vera gel separately. This is everything that comes in my kit. So everything, like I said, is from Sugar Dough. You could also buy this from Ulta. And we have my sugar wax. Now they're both the classics, but this is kind of an old one and this is my newer one. And we have my strips. These are reusable. Just wash them with warm water. We have my stick. We have my spatula, which I use more for my arms and my legs. We have extra baby powder. We have more spatulas. We have like instructions and whatnot. Now for me, the easiest thing to wax will always be my legs. So I start with my baby powder, make sure it's all the way on there because I need to get all the sweat, all the oil, everything off of my legs. And if you want the wax to be a little bit more melted, you can put it in the microwave for just a little bit, but I tend to just use my body heat and stretch it out with my hands, and I wax it that way. But I don't like to use the strips on my legs that much. I more so just use a spatula. You see why in a bit. So I just add a little bit to the bottom of the spatula before I smooth it into my leg. And I kind of flip it away from the hair growth, like how the hair is growing. And you see, like right here. And it's so satisfying because people say that legs hurt. I think legs don't hurt that much. But it is so satisfying to do. Okay, see right here, the wax looks a lot whiter and doesn't really want to flip that much. This is where I go in with the wax strips because at this point the wax is done. It's got everything that it could gotten off. So I just use one of those reusable wax strips, smooth it on there, and then just flip it away from the hair growth like I did with the spatula basically. Now I know I said legs don't hurt that much, but armpits really do hurt. So I be going in heavy with the baby powder because I will sweat it off because I'm so nervous about the pain basically. And with my armpits, I do still use the spatula, but I am more strip heavy because I let my hair grow a little bit longer than it should, so it's easy for me to grab the hair up. But I do put the wax in two different directions. Like I know when I'm at the bottom part, I am bringing the wax upwards towards my head, but once I'm at the top part, I bring it like downwards. It just depends on how your hair grows. It's going to go against where your hair is growing basically. But at the same time, since I have not been keeping up with my armpit waxes like I should, I have a couple ingrown hairs, which I do have a serum for with sugar dough, but I have to wax both directions so I can make sure I get all the hair out. So don't be like me, keep up with your waxes. I know it hurts, but it will hurt less in the long run. And also, I'm only waxing my armpits, my upper lip area, my arms, my legs, and my stomach. I haven't built the strength yet to get the Brazilian or bikini wax done, but I'm trying. Eventually, I will be there hopefully by the end of next year. We'll see. But look at how bald she is. And I always go in with cleaning one more time before I add in the aloe vera gel, but is that after? And then this is the before. She looks so good. Like, look at that. Period. And now it's time for my favorite part, the nails. So I do press-on nails basically. I would love to go to salons, but I just cannot sit long enough for salons, so I love press-ons. All of mine are mainly from Glamnetic. You will also find these at Ulta. I know I am an Ulta fanatic down. And the key to making them look as natural as possible is to make sure that it's going sidewall to sidewall and not going over or under that, because they'll either pop off easier or they just won't look as natural as you want them to. And you can always also check the number on the back of the nail so you know which one is which. Then it's time for prep. Honestly, prep is the most important part of doing press-ons, because if the prep isn't good, the nails are not going to stay no matter how much glue you use or how good the glue is. If the prep is trash, the nails will be trash. But I start with using the cuticle pusher and just push all my cuticles back. I don't think I have much overgrowth besides on my big thumbs, so those aren't really a problem for me, but I really do focus on buffing my nails out and getting all of the shine off of my nails. But also don't over buff your nails because they will hurt. Trust, I learned that the hard way. Just enough so it's not as shiny as it was before. Then I finish off my nail prep with the alcohol pad that also comes with the nails, just to get all the extra oil, the extra debris, everything off. You have a nice, clean, smooth, dry surface to work with. And now it is glue time, so I'm also still using the glue that comes with the kit. There's nothing I'm using besides what comes with the press-on nails by itself. And then I like to focus it mostly in the middle before like bringing it kind of outwards, but not too much, because I don't want the nail glue to go on my skin or anything, because that cleanup will be atrocious before I just press it on there nice and tight basically. But what I have learned with doing press-ons is that you kind of want to put it on at an angle and then push all the way towards the cuticles. That looks like it's basically your nail growing from your nails basically, and really squeeze it on, because you want it to really be on there nice, flat, tight, and natural looking. And if you do have a little bit of glue spillage, that's okay, because I still have that problem sometimes too. Just hurry up and swipe it off with either an alcohol pad or just use some nail polish remover, acetone. That's what's called, acetone. Just use that. And really take your time with this part of the process, because you do not want your nails falling off at the worst times possible. Like, you need to be on the way. Like, I need to be able to like punch a wall and they're gonna stay on. Well, like, not that extreme, but like I need to be able to do a lot of things and not worry about them falling off basically. And people also recommend that nail glue that you get from Sally's. I've never tried it before, but I will say I like this press-on nail glue that comes with the kits, and I don't have problems with it really, because if I have problems, it's because my nail prep was trash and not because the glue is trash. I've never tried this nail design before, and it is so cute, and they're so short. I'm not against, actually do like short nails, but it looks like my nail, I just put like some cat eye gel on them. But I didn't, I just bought the nails like this, and they're so cute. Look at these, love them. And that's basically all that I do for my maintenance routine. Hair, nails, wax, everything done, whatever Drake said. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.